Welcome back, Crammers, to question 26. The table gives information about the population corrected to significant figures of each of the five cities in 2018. Write 8.8 times 10 to the power 6 as an ordinary number. So whenever we multiply by 10, we simply go to the right by 1. So here, 8.8. And since we're multiplying it by 10 6 times, we simply move 6 times. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we write a 0 in all the spaces we jumped. Therefore, our final answer is 8800000. Which of these cities had the least population in 2018? Let's look at the bases, the tens. So if we look for the smallest 10 to the power of something, we can find that. So here we have 10 to the power 7, and here we have 10 to the power 6. Since 6 is smaller than 7, we simply look at anything with the base of 10 to the power 6. Now let's look over here. We have 7.7, 5.5, and 8.5. And we can see that 5.5 is the smallest of the smallest. That means it is Barcelona. Barcelona. Work out the difference between the population of Tokyo, let's write an arrow here, Tokyo, and population of Ahmedabad. Okay. Give your answer in standard form, correct two significant figures. In order to find the difference, we simply subtract the larger value from the smaller value. So here, we can write 3.7 times 10 to the power 7 minus 7.7 times 10 to the power of 6. But notice how the bases are not the same. Here we have 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 6. We can actually change 10 to the power of 6 and make it easier for us by moving the decimal to the left. When we move it to the left, we simply add 1 to the power. So we can rewrite this to 3.7 times 10 to the power of 7 minus 0.77 times 10 to the power of 7. Now we have the same base, we can actually simply subtract. We can use our calculator here. 3.7 minus 0.777, we get 2.93. 2.93, don't forget the base, times 10 to the power of 7, and correct the two significant figures. So we count 1, 2, and we use the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 to 9 we round up, 1 to 4 we round down, and since the value after 9 is 3, which is between 1 and 4, we simply round down. So our final answer is 2.9 times 10 to the power of 7. Thanks for watching. Cram.